why do we travel? It's not a simple answer. I like to think it's for those epic views where the jungle meets the sea, or for those incredible sunsets. But deep down, I believe it's about escaping routine. That's exactly the whispers of Thailand. We travel to feel the daily life of people. But it's also a moment where we break free, shedding our chains to be reborn somewhere new, somehow different. I feel everything slip away. I need to escape from this chaotic energy. I feel the inherent connection with nature. For a moment, there's nothing left, just me. From land to sea, through every landscape, the journey is long. But I start to discover the depths of my own being within the heart of Thailand. Slowly, I come back to life, but I'm not the same. There's a new energy inside me. Something lighter, freer. Every breath fills me with joy, and I see the beauty in everything around me. Each adventure brings me closer to this new version of myself. This is what it means to be reborn. I return more alive than ever. That's why I travel.